I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself and the glass so you have a firm, comfortable stance. Inspect the edge, clean the surface, then place tape along your intended line to reduce chipping. Grip the cutter like a pencil and angle it about 45 degrees. Make a single, continuous score from edge to edge, steady pressure, steady speed. Once done, avoid going back over the same line. Repeated scoring roughens the groove and can cause jagged breaks. Make sure the score is audible and visible before proceeding. After scoring, you need to separate the two pieces cleanly. Position running pliers on the score and squeeze gently to open the crack, or place the scored line over an edge and press thumbs downward to snap. Work from the middle toward the ends to control the break. If the cut resists, tap lightly along the score with the cutter's ball end to encourage propagation. Once separated, use a rubbing stone to feather the edge and remove tiny shards. This improves fit and reduces cuts while handling. To finish, you deburr the edges with a wet stone or fine sandpaper, holding the piece firmly and moving consistently to avoid thinning any area. For small chips, rescore just outside the damaged area and snap that tiny section off. For stubborn chips, use grazing pliers to nibble away gradually. If a hairline crack appears, do not force the piece, discard, or repurpose it. One key troubleshooting tip: if the score flakes or the glass shatters, your wheel or pressure was incorrect. Replace the cutter wheel and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.